prepare for exhibition, and it's perfect light here to polishing this. In museum I cannot use any machines or soldering. Bio is not allowed to use in museum, but I put the rivets, and I sent greetings to Vaasa University, to Ausriine and Tip Hein, I hope to say name right. Big thank. You did great work, and this story you made, it's going to be helpful in my recycling work. Recycling art is my area. Thank you. Big thank you.